Good afternoon, all. So I'm just sharing my document. Just let me know it's visible. Just give me a minute. Yesterday we have done some 6 questions. I'm giving you now 4 more questions. Once you do it, hello Nilofer. Once you do it, then we'll get into the next topic. Okay. Good afternoon, Adamu. I hope you're able to see the questions. Yes. Try one by one, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 questions, then get into the next topic or with the next pattern of questions. I'm giving you 4 minutes of time. Thank you, Annie. Good afternoon. That's okay, Krishalini. Yet, how many more questions to solve? Shall I start or do you want some more time? Okay. Yes, very good, Nilafar. Got it, Simon. Ready? Shall we start? Okay, can I solve the questions? You ready? You're taking too much of time. Can we solve it? Can we solve? Yeah. So the first one is just a substitution of x and y. Take the value 1, write it in the place of x. Just a substitution. Take value y, write it in the place of y. That's all. So it is 7 bracket of 1 plus 3y. Good, Simon. I hope your answer is right. But still, let's check it. Of ratio 2 times 1 is 2 is 2. Okay, plus 3. Plus 3. It's 5. So it is 16 is to 5. Somebody gave an answer 16 is to 4. So you have to recheck it. The answer is 16 is to 5. Nilofer answer was 16 is to 4. Can you check it? So the salary ABC is in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, and if the increment is 15%, 10%, and 20% are done and respectively salaries defined, the new ratios are okay. So two ways to do it, either to do it in the decimal values and write it, or converting them into hundreds. Which one do you prefer? I'll do it in both the methods then. So this is for 200 is to 300 is to 500 is to 500. Okay, so let's do it in both the method. So 15% of 2. So 10 percentage of 2 is 0.1, 0.2, 0.25 percentage is 0.1, then 0.3 to be added. So here it's 330 to be added. Okay, next. For the second one, it is just 10 percentage. So it is just again 0.3, but over here it is 30. Third one, 20 percentage of 5. So it is 1. So here 20 percentage of 1 is going to be 10 percentage is 50, 20 percentage is 100. Either method. So in this method, it is 2.3 is to 3.3 is to 6. In this method, it is 230 is to 330 is to 600. So simplifying the zeros, so it is 23 is to 33 is to 60. Here in this method, multiplying into 10 to remove the decimals. So then it is 23 is to 33 is to 60. Got it? Either method. Fine. Next. If you're clear with the first and second, let's go on with the third and fourth. I mean, 9th and 10th question, if you're clear with these. Okay, can I clear it? So the answer is here, the third option, 3, 3. Okay, can I clear it? We start? Okay, rupees 120 are divided among A, B, C such that A's share is 20 more than B. Okay, and next, B's more than B and 20 less than C. And A's share is 20 less than C. I can write this as B plus 20 also, doesn't matter. 20 plus B or B plus 20. Okay, so their difference between them are 20. So who's the middle value? A. So B and C. So when I add, I have to get 120, but the difference is going to be 20. So if this person is 40, plus 20 is 60, minus 20 is 20. So hence, if I add them, I do get 120. The problem is solved. What is B's share? $60. 100, 120, yes. Got it? I think then, what is B share? B is getting more or, okay, A, B, C said that A's share is 20 more than B. Okay, I'll just rewrite it. Understood how to solve it, right? So the answer is 40, 60, and 20. Now let's find for whom it is 40, 60, and 20. Okay, so A's share equals to 20 more than B. Okay, A's share is 20 more than B. Okay, and 20 less than C. Okay, fine. So 20 and 20 gone. So B plus C equals to 2A, 2 times of A. It's just to understand that in case if I'm adding two values, it should be 2 times more than the A value. So now in the substitution method, when I do it, I would say A is equals to B plus 20. So that is their ratio. And next is B is and A is equals to C minus A is equals to C minus 20. Let's do it with the substitution. A is equals to C minus 20. So who is getting more? A is 20 more than B. A is 20 less than C. Okay, fine. So A, whatever is the B value plus 20 will make A. Whatever is the C value minus 20 will make A. Got it right? So whatever is the A value, let's say B value, and let's say C value, we know already it should be 60, 40, 20. Only then it gives 120 with this. So 20, 20 difference. So A value, A is equal to B plus 20. And B value is same as it is. And C value is, when I take C equals to A plus 20. Okay, or in the other way, yes, I need to substitute everything for A. So for example, now I get B plus 20, B plus 20, this also should be a B. Otherwise, I substitute everything for A. Let A be here itself, for A itself. Then B is equal to A minus 20 and C is equals to A plus 20 and A equals to A itself. When I add them, I get 120. So 3A equals to 120, A equals to 40. This is by the simplification. If A is 40, okay, so now we know that it is 20 more. So this should be 20. That means B value must be 20. Okay, so in this case, if A value is 40, then C value must be 60. That's it. 60 minus 20, 40. So A value is 40, no changes. So B value is going to be 20, no changes. And C value is going to be for 60. I think the first time I wrote it in the reverse, that's fine. So it is B value is 20. Okay, what is B share? B share is 20. Did you get it? Let's go on with the next. Krishalini, are you getting it now? Your missed answer is right now. Krishalini. Okay. Fine. Next one. The fourth question. Can I clear the screen? Okay. In a college, the ratio of the number of boys to the girls is 8:5. Ratio of number of boys to girls is 8:5. That means boys are more, girls population is less. If there are 200 girls, what is the total number of students? So girls, how many parts? 5 parts. Then what is 1 part? 40. 20 divided by 5. Okay, 40 into, I need for total parts, that is into 13. So that will be 520. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? So yes, 520, second option. And this question, second option. This is Christian. 40 is from, this is 5. 5 parts of ratio girls is 200. That means one part is 40. Did you get it, Christian? 200 divided by 5 is 40, Christian. Yesterday you would have learned the 3 laws of ratio. In that, this is the third law. Individual parts equal to individual ratio. Girls have 5 parts, girls have 200. Then one part is going to be 40. Did you get it? Yes, Myra, what was your doubt? Jackson, I have solved all the questions, Jackson. I have solved all the questions. I'm not taking the answers. Jackson, please don't misunderstand and confuse the others. I have solved all the answers. I think if you are late, please do follow with the video. You can take 2 minutes of time. Just scroll back in the YouTube and just get back, no problem. I have solved everything. Not to confuse others who are joining late. It's not that ticking the answers. Everything is solved, Jackson. Please do check in the YouTube once and come back. Christian, is your doubt clear? Christian, is your doubt clear? Yes. Maiga, what was your doubt? Maiga, again, 200 divided by 5, Maiga. 8, we don't know. 8 is the ratio parts. We don't know how many. So 5 parts for girls. So that 5 is equals to 200. And then 200 divided by 5 is 40. Okay, Maiga? That is nothing but one part. So for one part is of ratio is 40. So that means I have to multiply 5 times 40 is 200. Then 8 times 40 is what? Multiply it and then add both the population because they're asking for the total. Let's say this is 320. Okay, the question is about total numbers. So this is 320 and this is 200. If I add them both, I get 520. They're asking how many students are there in the class. So it's 520. Any doubts? Any doubts? We'll go on with the next one. Christian, Annie, Loveness, Lasangu, Lady, Dhanushriya, Melissa, Maya, Hildebrande, Alain, Laufer, Peter, Simon, Victor, Shakya, Zubon, Chinvi, Beloved, Damu. Yes, that's correct, Maiga. Jackson lost his network. Helpless. Okay. Treasure. Shall I give you the next one? Shall I give you the next one? Yes. I think now onwards the question understandable. Can I give you a test on ratios? So there's nothing much to do with ratio. It is so simple. Shall we get into the next one? I'll give you a test. Once it's done, then we can go on with the next. Okay, I'm giving you the quiz. Just hold on. I'm sharing you the link and I'm sharing my screen too. Oh, okay. I hope my screen is visible. Eight by one. 16 or 15? Come for a conclusion. I'm getting two answers. Find the unit rate. They're not asking for 6 people or 24 people. They're asking for a unit rate. The key term over here is unit rate. I'm going with the majority. Unit means one. Did you get it? Unit rate. That means for one person, how much? That is what is called unit rate. All the answers over there were correct. I'm getting too many different answers. In a certain apartment, let's say the ratio is for tenant to car, T is for 3, car is for 5, is 5. If there are 30 tenants, how many cars are there? 30 tenants means into 10, into 10. And then here also it is into 10. Did you get that? It's just proportion. It's just proportion. So 15 is to 6 means, yeah, 5 is to 2. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Is 2 is different from 2. 5 to 2 means reduction. 5 by 2 means fraction. Unit rate means 1. Remember that. Unit rate means for 1. Yes, it is. So when it is 1, it's 2. 2, it's 4. 3, it's 6. 4, it's 8. It is increasing simultaneously. I'm not able to take the previous one. At the end, I will show you. No worries. Okay? Because there is no option of going back in this quiz. Maybe in the previous quiz we had. Let me try one. No, there's nothing. I'm sorry about it. Shayaka, check your answer. It's 8. Seven times 3 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9. I should have got here 9. I'm getting 12. That means 3 times 4. Both the numerator and denominator to be multiplied with the same number, but it is not. So it is no. Not at all. It doesn't form. It's very easy to answer. They don't form. Okay. Oh yeah, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Yes, they form. Okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Does the table represent a proportional relation? 3, 6, 9, 12. 7 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4 should have been 17. Okay, 7 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19, 20 plus 6, no. No proportion. Previous one we missed. One missed. Yes. So 8 by 24 is 1 by 3. 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. 8 by 24 is 1 by 3. 5 by 15 is also 1 by 3. Then yes, it's a proportion. Did you get it? 8 by 24 simplified is 1 by 3. 5 by 15 is also 1 by 3. So yes, they form a proportion. Now let's come on. What are your doubts? Let me know. Okay, Maya, that's fine. Anybody else have doubts? Anybody have doubts? Anybody have doubts? No. Shall we stop it? Yes. Now it takes hardly 5 minutes, I think. Okay. Ratio. Problems. I'm just finding a difficult one for you. Something this I'm just giving some, let's say, 10 questions. Okay, not more than that. Not at all. Now do it. Oh, I'm sorry, I was mute. Okay, English and math. So English and math, she does more math and less English. That's what we understand from this. So English difference is 84. She does 84 less. The ratio is 2 is to 7. Rule 2, difference between the ratio parts equal to the difference between the amount. So the difference between the ratio is 7. Difference between the amount is 84. So that is 7 is to 84. Did you get that? 7 is to 84. So then one part is 12. One part is 12. Okay, now I want to find for math exercise. Math exercise, there are 9. So 12 times 9. If one ratio part is 12, then 9 is 9 into 2, 18. 9 ones are 10 plus 8. So it's 108. Did you get it, Nilofer? Did you get it? Difference between the ratio equals to difference between the amounts. Did you get it, Melissa? Victor? How about this? Now I expect you to give me an answer that why don't these kind of questions be in your exam? I think Whose words were they? Uh, Peter. Peter, I wish these questions to be in the exam. Will that look good? Yes, Peter. Okay, try with the question, then we'll get in. The rectangle length is 7 times the width. So the length is 7 and the width is 1. That's what is 7 times the width. Length is 7, width is 1. Okay, width is 42. Shorter than the length. Shorter than. Okay, solve it. We'll check it. I got the answer. Okay, Peter. Naitaruki line. Please do scroll up. You will have the attendance link. Please do save the attendance link so that you can do it by yourself. If you scroll up, you will find a link for sure. Yes, beloved, your answer is right. Chinini, thank you very much. Nilofer, thank you very much. So nice of you all. Thank you very much for saving my time. I'm at it, should check it. Is it cm or cm square? Centimeter or centimeter square? Mhm. Lasangu has to solve, but read the question and try it, Lasangu. It's same as the previous question. But the only thing is, here you are finding the area. The same as the previous question. No, Peter, wrong answer. Nobody's mic is on. Damu. No, Peter, you're still wrong. Kushalini answer is right. Would you like to talk something, Adamu? Let me know. I would on the mic for you. Shall I solve it? Okay, in a rectangle, the length is 7 times the width. Yeah, 7 times the length is 7 times the width. The width is 42 shorter than the length. That means length minus width equals to 42. But length divided by width is equals to 7 by 1. So length is equals to 7 times width. So by cross multiplying it, I say that the length by width is equals to 7 by 1. So length minus width equals to 42. The same time, length minus width equals to ratio is 6. Length minus width equals to ratio is 6 parts. Okay. So if this is 6 parts and this is 42, let's say that then the one part is 7. The width is, yes, 1 part 7. Find the area. Then I think yes, this time. Then Peter is right and the others are wrong. We'll check it. So the length is already 7 parts. So 7 times 7 is 49. Next, width equals to 1 times 8 is, sorry, 1 times 7 is 7. Yes. So it's 3, 4, 3. Length into width is 3, 4, 3. Then I think it's on the reverse. Peter is right. Krishalini, Treasure, Amadu, beloved. All your answers might be wrong. Yes. Now Peter is right and the others' answers are wrong. Let's check it. Shall we mark it? 112 centimeters squared or 343 centimeters squared. Which is right? Shall we mark it? I'm going to mark it. Mark any. No, listen. Let's go with the right one. You got it. That was good. So only Peter was correct. Next one. There are 10 more cats than dogs in a pet hospital. The ratio of the dogs to the cat is 1:6. Very easy question now. I hope you understood the concept of difference between the ratio as equals to difference between the amount. Marker. The difference is 5. It is 2. So how many cats are there in the hospital? So is it 12 or 24? There are 10 more cats than dogs in the pet hospital. So 10 more means dog minus cat or cat minus dog equals to 10. 10 more dogs, cats. Okay, then that is cat minus dogs. C minus D equals to 10. Okay, in the pet hospital, the ratio of the dogs to cats is 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1 part equals to 2. Yes. So how many cats are there in the pet hospital? How many cats? So cats are 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. And dogs are 2. There are 10 more cats. So the answer would be 12. Then Shreya, would you like to check it again? Francis, Lewis, want to check it again? Is it 24 or 12? Make it quick. 24. Okay, prove it. It is 24. Lewis, can unmute yourself. Yes, Lewis, let me know how it is. Lewis. Yes, can you tell me how did you get 24? You can unmute yourself. That's done then. Yes. Everybody getting it 12. That's good then. Okay. Elsa builds 36 more snowmen than Anna. Anna of Elsa's snowmen to Anna's snowmen is 7:3. How many snowmen does Anna build? Elsa is 36 more snowmen than Anna. Elsa builds 36 more than Anna. Number of Elsa their snowmen are this much. Difference between them is 36. That's equal to 7 minus 3 is 4 parts. Then 1 part equals to 9. How many snowmen does Anna build? So it is Elsa to Anna. So Anna is 9 times 3, 27. So she listens to 7 more Korean songs than VN songs. The ratio of VN songs to Korean songs is 4:5. Then one part is 7, 4, and 5. So VN to Korean, so 7 into 4, 28. It's done. Shall I mark it? Okay, solved. Oh, I'm not talking. I've given you time to solve. Shall I mark it? Good. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked it to scroll down. We'll do that question again. Do this, I'll just take that question again for you. There's no back button. I'll just get you the question again. Shall I mark it? Should I mark it? Shall I mark it 48? Shall I mark it? So this one is about perimeter. Perimeter means adding up the edges. So 98 plus 14, 2 into L plus B. Any question, doubts? Any question, doubts? Quickly review it. Any questions, doubts? Shall we go on with the next one? Okay. Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? Which formula, Christine? Which formula, Christine? Christine, which formula? There is no formula, Christine. It is just question to read and answer. There is no formula. Concept. Okay. No formula, it's concept. Don't misunderstand concept. Yeah, it's the concept. It's 84 is fewer, shorter, lesser, more. Whatever the keyword comes, that means it's difference. Few, more, short, few, more, short, less means difference between them. Okay, so now it's fewer. That means difference between English and max. So max minus English equals to 84. Then I will subtract the ratio also. Max minus English. The ratio is 9 minus 2, that is 7. These both are equal proportion. 7 equals to 84. Then 84 divided by 7. Then one part is 12. That's all. There is nothing called formula. It's just a concept. If this is the difference, then the ratio also should be subtracted. Okay, if I'm subtracting the value, I have to subtract the ratio also. That is the way to find the proportion. Did you get that? Yeah, that's great. I'm just clearing it. If you're okay, then yes, we can go on with the next one. If you're all okay, can go on to the next one. Please do let me know. Okay, the next one I'm going to give you is partnership, the continuity of the topic of ratio. Very easy one. We'll do it, and today we'll try to do the questions also. Very simple questions. If you do it, then we can get on to the next question much more easily. Okay, so it's called partnership ratio. I think it's fine now. It's understandable for you all. I hope. Can you see my board? Can you see my board? Yeah, fine. So the next one is partnership, P-A-R-T, partnership, S-H-I-P. So what we're going to do in this topic is very simple. The same thing as the ratio. Let's say there are two members investing 3:4. Okay, investing 3:4. That means the ratio is 3:4. They invested 300 or 400, 500. This is called investment ratio. Okay, investment ratio. Okay, it's called investment ratio. Did you get it? Okay. Now, for example, if they are given that A is investing 3,000 and B is investing 4,000, that means the ratio is 3:4. This is called as investment ratio. Invested this much. Are you getting it? Invested. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay. Shall we go on? The next one. Okay. Fine. So next is, oh, just a minute. Okay. So A and A invested 3,000. Later, B invested 4,000 for 6 months. What is the profit ratio of 1 year? What I'm giving you, these all are direct questions. There's nothing much to give you questions. Maybe I can give you as a homework. Can make it fast. Six is to eight. Okay. So here what you have to note down is, the things to note down is this. It's about 4,000, 3,000 the amount, profit for 1 year. Okay, so 3,000 I have to multiply into 12 months. The same time, let me take over here, he invested only for 6 months. Later be invested, that means later be joined after 6 months only. This is the case of the word joined. That is 4,000 into 6. So for 1 year, that means this is into 12 and this is 6. This is the way to do the partnership question. Okay, so I can just simplify them directly. So I get this as 24 and this 3 into 2, 6, 36. So I think all your answers are wrong, and that is 3:2. Is there profit share ratio? Profit share ratio means after investing a certain time, I would get a profit. That is what is profit share ratio, 3:4. Okay, in the first question, there is no or no investment period is given. So then what happens? The investment ratio itself is the profit ratio, 3:4. But in this case, that would not happen. Did you get that? Because A invested 3,000, later B invested 4,000 for 6 months. What is the profit share ratio? The second person is investing only for 6 months, and the first person is investing for throughout the investment, so he will get more. So what is the profit share ratio for 1 year? Then I'm multiplying into 12, and this is subtracted with 12 because it's only for 6 months. Did you get it? So hence the answer is there. Yes. Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? Okay. A and B invested 1,000 and 2,000 respectively. A left after 6 months. What is the profit share ratio? If you can solve for this, then the second type of the question is also completed. Just a minute. Just a minute. Ratio for 2 years. Let's do it together. Why do we? Yes, now, right now. I don't think so. The time is, we only have 10 more, 11 more minutes. After 2 years. After 2 years. What is the profit share ratio after 2 years? Oh, sure, you can. Okay, shall I solve it? Shall I solve it? As quick as I can. Okay. So here is 1,000, 2,000 respectively. So they both started investing from the beginning. Okay. So A left after 6 months. That means A invested for 1.5 years. That is 6 plus 12, 18 months. Yes. And B invested throughout the 2 years, that is into 24. How many of you have done in this method? If you have done in this method, only then it's correct. Otherwise, no, because it's for 2 years. So he left after 6 months. He left after 6 months. That means from the beginning he was there. A and B both were traveling. Oh, I'm sorry, just small change. He left after 6 months. So only with 6 I multiply. He left after 6 months. So into 6. Okay. So then this becomes 1 and this becomes 4, 8, and the ratio is 1:8. This person worked only for 6. The other person worked for 24. The scale is clear, right? A scale, B scale. Okay, so this is the case of left. Left means till then he worked. He worked for 6 months. The other person worked for, yeah, it's fine. Okay, now let's come for this question. In this question, it's reverse. A worked for 3,000, B later joined. That means from the beginning he was not there. So he is for 12 months and he is only for 6 months. So this is for A and this is for B. Done. This is what is the concept of partnership. Nothing much to do. Again, not to confuse anything more. Okay. Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? Yes. Okay. Here is the next question for you. Just a minute. Partnership. Yeah. Show you. It's loading. Okay, I'm just going to give you in the slides and solve it. Maybe some 3 to 4, 5 questions would look decent. You can solve it in a while. Let me know the screen is visible. 1, 2, 3. So let's read along and finish the topic. So easy one. So then the next topic we can do with averages and ages. Summer invested 80,000 in a business. After 4 months, Neeraj also joined investing 80,000. At the end of the year, they earned a profit of 30,000. So 80,000, the first person, Samar, is investing. Second person, Neeraj, is also investing 80,000. Now here comes, he joined in a business. After 4 months, Neeraj joined. After 4 means 12 minus 4, 8. Yes, you can solve it so easy. And this person investing from the beginning, so it's 12. So 80,000 gone. And the ratio is just 3:2. Okay, what is Neeraj share? 30,000 was their complete share. At the end of the year, they got a profit of 30,000. So 30,000 is the share of A and B together. So 30,000 is equals to 5 parts. Okay, then the one part equals to 6,000. Now I want to find for Neeraj. Neeraj is 2 parts. So 6 into 2, 12. So 12,000 is the answer. Any doubts in this question? Any doubts? Okay, second question. Oh, just try the second question. Maybe the rest you can take for the homework. An amount of money is to be distributed among PQR 359 ratio. The difference between the Q and R is so easy. Q and R is 1,200. What is the ratio difference between Q and R? What is the ratio difference between Q and R? What is the ratio difference between Q and R? Ratio difference. Amount difference is 1,200. Ratio difference is 4. So 1,200 is equals to 4 parts. Then one part is 300. What is the total of P and Q? P and Q together, it's 8. It's 8. P and Q together, it's 8. So 300 times 8. 8 3s are 24. It's done. Is it easy? Is that easy? Yes. Is that easy? Yeah. Snapshot, remaining 3 questions, homework. That's it. Snapshotted, remaining 3 questions over. Partnership is also done. Nothing to worry. Very easy topics. We will solve these questions. Give me a reminder on the next class. We will do more. And then we'll get into the topics of averages and ages, then with the ranking, directions, and the other topics. Those topics are very easy. No worries. You've already done those topics in your reasoning classes, I hope. Good night, Francis. Thank you very much. Okay, the class 3 questions is your homework. Please do take a Snapchat. I mean, screenshot. Okay, any other doubts? Can I stop the screen? Can I stop the screen? Okay. Thank you all. Thank you very much for the day. And let's catch up. I think, thank you, Krishalini. I think we will meet back on Thursday. Thank you, beloved. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Nilofer. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Lasano. Have a great day, Nilofer. Bye. Thank you, Nilofer. Thank you, Manza. Bye. Thank you, Danushri.